Welcome everyone. I just want to show you some things we can try out with the synthetics. Okay, so just in case you want to get on board on the synthetic, then check the description side of this video so you can get on board, and then try to join either my free channel or my VIP channel, so that I can guide you on how you can start this journey. Now look at how we're going to be flipping this small account. Now let me take you straight to the drawing board so you can see what we drew down, and I'll carry you all through till when this account is flipped, maybe up to the target profits. Alright, on the drawing board I'll show you the target profits. Let's go there now. So welcome to the drawing board. Like I said, let me show you what I'm seeing. Now of course you know we are using smart money trading, okay, my smart money concept, and ICT, which is the inner cycle trading. So what is there is I have a couple of drawings I've done already, and this particular pair, which is should I call this a pair now, this particular commodity is the JUMP50. You can say JUMP50 index. So I've been drawing on this particular pair. I like the fact that it can just jump, and then just jump. So I've been looking at the expansion and the accumulation. So I looked at this accumulation and then this expansion. So this gave me the confirmation for the reversal, and then this was more like a retracement, and right now I'm looking at another accumulation and I'm expecting an expansion. So how do I do that? So I looked at the basic thing that played out here. I spotted the fair value gap. So no, sorry, I spotted the block that gave this particular move first. Okay, so if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, let me see if I can spot it again. Okay, so this is that particular mitigation block that gave me this confirmation. So after spotting that, I spotted again this particular one. The first mitigation block was here, the second one is just a little bit above that, okay, just around this side. Okay, so after seeing those two blocks, the next thing I did was to spot the upside, of which I saw this fair value gap and the breakout block. So, and then this previous high. So now I'm expecting price to break out, just like the name jump. I'm expecting price to jump up to this level where we're going to start breaking even, because we want to flip this account, which I just showed you the balance. Then from breaking even, we'll manage it until it comes to take profits. So when you go down to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes, you can now see a full picture of what I'm talking about. So now we're going to be hiding our stop loss just at this particular confluence, where we believe that price will most likely not get below this side, and then we're going to be expecting price to give us a jump to this level. So are you with me on this? So if you're with me, let's go. So I'm going to be updating you at the end of this move what occurred. So you see, I'm taking you through the process, so you don't think I'm doing this video for content purposes. I'm actually doing this for someone who needs to learn the whole concept behind a top-down analysis. Okay, so then when it comes to the synthetics, I hope you've been able to see that block which I was trying to show you here. I hope you've been able to see it. So when you look very well, you see that price got rejected at this point. So that's because there is this block just at this level. Okay, it's just here. You will see it here. It's an order block. So that's the block that's giving us that entry, and then our stop loss will just be at the intermediates between the mitigation and the order block. I just thought to give you the trigger updates. So as you can see, analysis was perfectly done, and what happened now is price eventually went into our area of confluence, and the moment price got into our entry point, you'll notice that it got triggered. Okay, first of all, there was a trigger on these points, and that trigger went upward and then decided to come down again to sweep more liquidity for a trigger then. So you can see that right now price is currently jumping, just as the name of this particular commodity is called JUMP50. So you can see that price is just jumping, and we're looking at price jumping from that as you can see just on the accounts. I will give you a brief video on the accounts, okay, and then you will see on the video what the account is currently doing, and I'll give you updates from time to time on how the journey goes upward. So one other thing I would like to say is sometimes do analysis and allow it to play out. I did this analysis. Now I didn't enter from this point. Okay, this was where we entered from, somewhere around this point. I didn't even take the trade, but just to show you something that I did. Okay, yeah, it was from here. Yeah, I just remembered. It was from here, but was confirmed from the 5 minutes entry time frame, and then this gave move and hit the take profit, but I did not take the trade. But it's just to test out that entry. Sometimes it's good to just do the analysis and just try it out and see what it's going to look like. Okay, when you try it out, you see what it looks like, then you can now either say to yourself, okay, then this particular strategy is confirmed and can be replicated. So if you look again, after having looked at everything, I saw that it was still going to repeat itself, so I just extended the entry just to see what it plays out, and then went straight take profit again. I kept looking at it, and it did another retracement when even above take profits. So for anyone who takes it, maybe probably from here will be aiming this new recent high, and that's what it did. It swept liquidity at that point and then came down. It was at the point where price came down to this level that I knew that something was going to happen. So I watched what happened, and I saw this expansion, and when I saw the expansion retracing again to give us accumulation again, I knew that the liquidity was not fully grabbed. So when I saw that the liquidity was not coming to this point, I said, okay, this is time to analyze this trade. And I went straight. I did all our analysis. Just in case you're wondering how we come about the analysis, I have a simple video I have done on this same YouTube channel. Just check out for it. You see a complete top-down analysis. You see the SMC strategy and the ICT strategy. So that video will help you, and maybe any other video we do on our basic weekly analysis or weekly review. Okay, so it was after doing the top-down analysis I knew that as soon as price gets into this point, it will be triggered. I took it up straight, and this is where we are right now. So if you look, you will see that we're just about 50-50. So this is what we're risking, and this is what we have gotten so far. But this is not how much we're going. Okay, now price is going to dangle. It's gonna dangle. Don't be moved by all that. That's why it's always good to do an accurate top-down analysis, so that no matter what price do dangling, you just know that the end result of whatever price is doing is to get to your final destination. So don't forget, I already said that when price begins to get to this level, so that it is former previous high, we'll begin to break even, and when price gets here, we'll be breaking even. We'll manage it until our final take profit. So let's get to the device. All right, now we are on the device, and just to show you quickly what we've done so far. So this is the $9 account. You can see it's currently 11. Okay, so that means we've been able to make at least 20%, if not more. That's about 25% of this capital so far, but we're looking at flipping it, so that means we are looking at making 100% of this capital, if not more. But let's see what will work. Okay, looking at the lot size we're using and others. So I want to show you the second account, of which the second account is quite bigger than the previous. I think the second account is about 13. Okay, but being that we're using same lot size, so the profit is still at the same level. So here is the second. We have 13, and currently we have 15. So that means we have made just about, let's say, 22% of the capital, but we're still moving. Remember, we're trading jump, and we're expecting the price will just keep jumping up till we get to the level we are looking at it. Now, another thing again you must take note of is one thing to take a good trade, is another thing to be able to manage your trade properly. Okay, you can also take a good trade, and when your management is bad, you might not be able to manage it correctly. So even as we're on this trade, we're not going to sleep. We're here live managing this trade until when we make a whopping huge sum on this amount. All right, so expect my updates from time to time until when we hit our final take profit. See you soon. Welcome back. So we're still on this trade, and looking at what is doable. Something happened, and I thought to just bring it to your notice. I told you, beware of dangling charts. Okay, beware of dangling charts. That will make you feel like, okay, maybe probably your analysis is faulty or something. Now, I'm not saying that your analysis will be 100% correct all the time. But what I'm saying is, as a smart money trader, you focus on the liquidity sides. Okay, now this is a 24 hours time frame. You can see the liquidity side. Okay, you go to the 4-hour time frame where it's more visible, and you can see that here is the liquidity side. Okay, so this is where the money is. So if you're going to make money, then you must come from the liquidity side. Now forget about all those yes, there's actually what we call market manipulations, but you get to a level in trading where you will find that the market manipulation is actually there, but you got victimized of the manipulation, not because it is you, but because you came in the wrong place and at the wrong time. So in other words, for you to avoid such kind of manipulations and to be on a better side, it's always better to confirm the liquidity side. So see what price did. Price got initiated here and began to go, jump upward, and suddenly began to, go bearish. Now, someone who sees this other bearish candle print will feel that price maybe is going to keep on going on a downtrend. But that's not what I'm thinking, because I'm already seeing this, change of character on this point, and this is a clear confirmation for me that price will definitely range before going upward. Okay, so if you look well, you see that just at this point, price suddenly just went boom, boom, very fast.
it might be two candles on a 15 minutes time frame, but when you go to a higher time frame, those two candles will be added together to form one candle. So you see what played out. Okay, let's go to 1 hour because I want you to see it in a single candle. So what you will see is that this candle suddenly just pushed up. Okay, now for those people who were trying to sell thinking, okay, yeah, we're about to go bearish, they will all be taken out because they are on the wrong liquidity side. So what you should pay attention most times is make sure you are on the right liquidity side. So because we are on the right liquidity side, we're currently moving very, very good with the price, and price is going very well. So let me take you straight to my device so you can see how much we've made so far. Okay, all right, let me see if the price can quickly just show at the MT5 here. Otherwise, I'll just go straight to the device.
Incoming mail.
Let me see that quickly. Okay, so let's just go straight to the device so that I just show you.
Okay, so this is what price has done so far. You find out that the $13 has just given us about $3. So that means we've made about 30 something percent already on this account. But we're headed for, I think, about 100. Okay, for 30 something at this level, we should be able to do 150% on this particular move. I see the move giving us up to that. Okay, but we'll start breaking even from 100%. So follow through so that you can be able to learn one or two from this. You can see that the $9 account is still pushing and it's currently doing very well. Okay, so this is actually what you can do to flip little money. So if you're there, you're crying, you don't have capital to trade, then you might be doing the wrong thing, because you can actually flip little figures like this upward. Okay, imagine doing $100 and you do this same thing on $100 and you make it 250. You do that to 250 and you make it 500. Just imagine, keep on flipping like that over 150%, and in a short time you become up to the capacity that you may be desiring to be. All right, so I give you final updates, so watch out.
It's not only when it's moving in my favor, that's not just when I will be giving you the updates. So remember that we are trading from liquidity sides. Then if you look, you will notice that the liquidity has been spotted from a higher time frame. Okay, so if you see, you will notice that price hasn't done the jumping yet. So this is the jumping in the previous times. These are the jumping it has done in the previous times, and I'm expecting price to jump upward, okay, to give me exactly what I'm waiting for. But price hasn't done that, so I couldn't close. As at here, I had already made I think 40%, right? Okay, so but here was not up to that and still not up to that, and the price came back to my entry and is going down exactly to the stop loss. Remember, we're trading liquidity, so what you do is you make sure your stop loss is just below the liquidity side to avoid being taken out. So that's the basic thing I can show you on this. So we are still expecting price to still jump. So for sure, what it simply means is that price has not yet market has not yet grabbed full liquidity and is currently trying to grab its full liquidity before it gives the jump. So I'm still waiting, I'm still on the trade. I just thought to give you this quick update. Just look at it. Remember, I said I'm expecting price to do its jumping up to at least to this side or to this side. So just keep looking at this update on JUMP50. And like I said, I've been waiting for this jump to occur, and when I saw price coming back to this liquidity side, I expected the jump to begin to occur, and it's already happening. Okay, so it's currently back to our entry points, of which we are now in profit. Okay, right when it was here we were about, I think, 30% profit, but our target is to make about 150% profit. So let's see if price can be able to take us upward. But this is the update I can give you. We're back into the profit side. Let me look at the 4-hour time frame again for our investigation, just to be sure that we are still good on this move. All right, so the candle before this, the candle before this is a bearish candle, and then the candle after it is still printing. It looks like it is going to be, it looks like it's okay. It's a bullish candle, and it just jumped, so it's back, bringing us back to our profits. Okay, so what I'm going to just show you, just for the sake of this video, is I'm going to just show you that if price gets back to this level, you'll be back on 40%, 30% profits on your capital, okay, for jump 50. But if price takes out this particular high here, okay, then you will be looking out for 50% profits, 70%, 80%, and even up to 100% profit, of which that's our target. Okay, I've been waiting for this jump that is currently happening right now. Seeing that this low is still maintained, I'll be expecting this jump to take out at least this particular high. Okay, if it doesn't take it, I'll expect price at least get to that level, then give me a confirmation, okay, to put my break even and expect price to keep going upward. So I'll still give you.
Okay, so on my device, this is the what's happening on jump. Okay, so this jump had previously given us up to 30-40% on the previous side of the happenings I've been giving you and the update before it decides to go down, but has now jumped up again back to expectations. And I'm looking at it at least take me to a certain level before I can apply my break even. I'm expecting the jump to begin to happen from this level. So this is what the profit is now currently. Of course, you will notice that my capital has increased, and that's because I traded another commodity, which is the Boom 500. Just in case you want to see how I did that, all you need to do is just look at the video, okay, that I talked about the Boom 500. All right, on how you can make 50% of the Boom 500. That's where you can see what happened and how this capital increased to this level. So this is what is available for jump currently. So this is the latest update, and I'll be looking forward to giving you even more updates on what's going on with the jump 50. All right, so see you soon.
Update on jump 50. You can see that price came back to retest this liquidity side, okay, putting us on a huge loss, but our stop loss was just under the liquidity side. So you can see how to hide your stop loss from the liquidity of the market. Okay, so it's not like market is trying to hunt your stop loss. It's just that market will always go back to the liquidity side once it has not maybe probably grabbed enough liquidity. So, and there's a saying that you are the liquidity if you cannot spot the liquidity. So for you not to be part, so your stop loss must be just under the liquidity side. Okay, and then see what price did, and price now is currently giving me the jump which I was expecting and I've been waiting for. This is where it played before, and now it's doing the same thing, and price is ranging. Now I saw something very beautiful that I love from the 4-hour time frame. If you look at it again, you see that it's good. Okay, so that candle which was giving me the bearish look is now currently jumping upward, and I'm seeing if it can just probably get to this place, I'll break even, because by then I would have gotten like 50% off my profits. Then I may be breaking even to see if I can maintain price onto my target profit. Now you can see why it is beautiful to trade liquidity. In spite of what's going on in the market, I am still profitable. So most times when people are victimized by the market, it's not because the market is probably hunting their capital or anything, or hunting their stop loss. It's because they are probably not applying the proper uh, strategy that can help them, win that particular speculation. Okay, so let's see what price do. I'll give you updates. Currently I think it's almost hitting 30%, and I think by here it would have done maybe 50%, if not more, and then we'll start breaking even from there. Okay, so let me go.
Alright, so this is what's now happening with the price. You can see we are now about between 25 to 30% on profit. 10% is about um, I think 50 cents or thereabout, of which okay, no, 10% is about one. 10% of 100 is 10, so 10% of 13 is 1.3, so 20% is 2.6. okay, so we are on 20% already, because I can see 2.6. Yeah, though it's dangling. So we're going to be looking out for price to do what I just mentioned on the drawing board. So I'm looking at this jump, still jump at least to this liquidity side, then I'll be considering the next thing to do. Okay, let's see if it can jump up to this liquidity side. Though this is the 4-hour time frame, so it's a higher time frame, so you might not see clearly what I was just saying. So this is what I was just saying. I'm trying to see if it can jump to this liquidity side, then I'll begin to break even. I cannot break even right now because it's not in the good place where I do not see reversal. I'm seeing a big fair value gap here, and I'm seeing liquidity void, so I expect price to still come down, before probably pushing up. So this is the update so far, and I want you to still keep looking here, look at this space, so I can give you even more updates on what's up and what's going on with this account. So mind you, this is actually the smaller account. Okay, this is the $9 account. Okay, so it's moved already from 9 to 13. That's because of the boom. Now if you want to see the video on the boom, you need to watch other videos on my YouTube channel. So right now it is right now it is JUMP50 that I'm showing you, not boom. So pay attention to the videos. And then on JUMP50, we're looking at the equity as 13. We're expecting the profits for 50% should be about $4 to $55. Okay, by then we can say we made 50%, but right now we are on 20%. So let's see what goes up. Just keep expecting my updates. Alright, so you can see this is what I was talking about. So I had to do this video first before going to the drawing board, but this is exactly 50% of the um, initial capital. Okay, so that means this is how you can make 50% of your capital. Okay, 50% profit of your capital trading JUMP50. So from this level, I'm going to be breaking even, while I'll be expecting price to still push upward. Okay, but right now there's a lot of liquidity void, and I'm expecting, you can see this is the jump we've been waiting for. It finally happened, and it gave us this massive profit. So follow me through. Let's go to the drawing board. Let's go see what's going on there. So I'll be breaking even, and I'm going to be expecting price to push up and take me to my expected destination. So you can see it's still on 50%, and looks like it's about to enter 60%, and that's it. So guys, this is easy. What you should do is just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow updates on any of the things I give you.
Be the final video for JUMP50, just to show you what is really going on right now. So you can see that since morning, so I think we have used okay, 2 hours added. Okay, so we've used about 11 hours. Okay, 11 hours already trading this JUMP50. So we were expecting this jump to happen, just like it happened here, it happened here, and right now we just got it. Okay, so there's going to be a retracement, for this void. So what I'm going to do is to take my stop loss upward. Okay, so though I will not be doing any video anymore, I'm going to be closing it here at 50% profit. Okay, so that's the highest I can show you for this video. So for more subsequent videos, I can show you more updates and more things to expect, but this is what I can show you right now. So what do? You move your stop loss to the closest place where you know that price may most likely return, and this is the place. This is actually the place. So but if you put it here, I think price is going to come straight to that stop loss. So that's why it's risky. If you put it here, all these sites are liquidity void. It will definitely fill up before price begins to go up. And then I may be considering to close partial as well, because I'm not doing bad. Okay, the capital has flipped from $9, exactly $9, to $18. Okay, so and that's because we traded to another pair, sorry, indices, which is that's commodity, which is boom 500. Okay, just as we traded what's it called, jump. Okay, so we did 50% for boom and we do 50% for jump, and currently the balance is 18. Okay, so that's 4.5, 4.5, 50, 50. So that's 100%. So that's, we just did 100%, but it's 100% with two different indices traded. Okay, so I want you to see what the candle is currently printing, but I don't think it will exceed this place because this is the previous high, and in smart money concept we respect previous high. So for me, I'm not seeing a good place to break even. The best I can do is to take partial. Okay, yeah, so I can secure this profit since I've already made 100%. 100% is a lot of money already on the initial capital, but 50% on jump 50. What I'll be looking forward to is price probably doing retracement, and maybe when I get another confirmation, I can go in again and see how I can just maximize the opportunity and make more profit. So if you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly join my VIP channel. Okay, my VIP channel is just $100, but I'm running this promo for quite some time, which is $50 for you to join the VIP channel before I raise it up. For those of you in Nigeria, you know why I'm doing this is because of the exchange rate, just so that you can be a part of what we are doing. Because if I give you $100 charge, it will be hard. Now take note, my VIP is for a period of 12 months. Okay, so after 12 months you may need to now renew your VIP. Okay, so I have the free channels also, where you can also be a part of what we are doing. Okay, this is it. So this is the VIP channel. Okay, and then this is the free channel. Okay, so you can actually be a part of the free channel. Okay, where we can also give you updates, but on the free channel we have specific things we do there, specific things we trade there. On the VIP, just as the name, very important person, we have more. Okay, or very important people, we have more that we trade there. So the VIP helps you to get more opportunities. Like the classes are usually we have the VIP classes, we have the free classes. So on the VIP you get the VIP classes and the VIP courses. On the free channel you get the free courses and the free channel. Okay, so why VIP? VIP because I will spend more time guiding you, helping you, mentoring you. But for the free, I just mentor you from afar. But from the VIP, I mentor you closer, just to help you achieve your dream in this career. Okay, look forward to my next video.